Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and in today's video we are going to be decorating my family room for spring. It was really funny to be choosing this day to be decorating for spring since it was snowing outside, but I was ready to bring in touches of warmth and just that feeling of renewal, so we're here for it today. I'm so glad you're joining me. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm starting off here on this shelf on my wall. My husband and I built this shelf with the peg wall and the beadboard last year, and I absolutely love this space. And I purchased this picture from Hobby Lobby in their spring line. It's this beautiful oil painting, if you will, of a beautiful farmhouse. I think it's gorgeous. It looks like a nice little cottage, and I think it's so cozy. Here's a look at the items I'm going to be using today to decorate with. We're going to decorate this shelf as well as this console table behind my sofa. And a lot of these items are from the Target dollar spot, both this year and last year, as well as Hobby Lobby, and a couple of things from Michael's. So I'll try to tell you where everything is from as we go. A lot of things are from last year. I did try to reuse most of what I already had, but I'll let you know what I picked up this year as well. We're going to start to the left of the picture, and I am starting off with one of my propagated pothos plants. Those are my favorite, and that is one of those beautiful pots from Walmart. I actually picked those up last year. They're from the Better Homes and Gardens line. I think they're really pretty. They look distressed, and they're such a nice little touch. I also brought in that little foldable sign there from Michael's, and that faux window pane is from Target, from the Target dollar spot several years ago. This little basket here is from Hobby Lobby. I did just recently pick this up. It's from their Easter line. And this little bunny is from Target last year. I thought these were really sweet and loved the color that they bring, as well as this little tiered tray piece here. This is also from Target last year, and I think it's really pretty, and I love the little bit of shiplap design that it has. Moving to the right side of the picture, I'm starting off with this white pitcher here that I picked up at Michael's several years ago, along with some eucalyptus stems also from Michael's. I love these. They're a very real touch and they're very floppy, which I think gives them a very real look. So just putting these in here to bring in some green. This is also the door down to my basement, so it does get used pretty regularly, so I have to be careful not to get anything stuck in the door. But like I mentioned, Danny and I built this shelf here last year. We needed a place to put our stockings during Christmas since we don't have a fireplace. And I just love this shelf so much. I love to decorate it. It brings such a cozy vibe to our living room. And I do have 2 videos up of how we built this and how I styled it when I first put it in. So I'll try to remember to link those for you down below. These are the good old days signs. Sign is from TJ Maxx, I believe. Got that a couple of years ago. And then I've got a little creamer pitcher there with another pothos plant that I'm propagating. And then along with that little bunny that I picked up at the Target dollar spot last year. Same thing with that little house in the background there. That's also from the Target dollar spot a couple of years ago. And I'm just trying to fill the space with varying colors and varying heights. I didn't have a ton to put up over here. I do think I could use some things that have a little bit more height. And I'm considering doing more of like a little gallery wall actually on the wall and then using the space on the shelf to decorate. But we will see. It's kind of just a work in progress. I like being able to change it up. I get bored easily and I like to be able to change things. So I like, being able to pull it down and move things around. That little picture frame there with the little farmhouse picture is from Michael's. I printed the picture online. And again, that little "These are the good old days" sign is from TJ Maxx. I love that sign. I think it's pretty and I love the font. And of course, the little bunny is from the Target Dollar Spot. Next up, we're going to work on my console table here behind my sofa. This table is from World Market and I love this piece. It was a little bit of a splurge. It was $400. It's definitely not something I typically spend a lot of money on. I don't like to spend a lot of money on furniture when I know I can find nice options for an affordable price, but this is actually really affordable. We were on the hunt for a pretty console table in a neutral color, and this price just seemed like the best I was going to find, and I love it. I love how long it is, and it fits the space perfectly. I'm starting off with that white bunny there from the Target Dollar Spot. I did pick that up this year, and I think it's so pretty. I actually went back and grabbed another. And that gold pot there is also from Target, and it's got another propagated pothos plant in it. On the other side of the console table here, I've got this miniature dough bowl from Hobby Lobby that I picked up last year in the spring line, and I'm filling it with a few little faux carrots that I picked up at Michael's from last year. On the bottom of the console table, I am getting started by moving this Dracona plant here and putting in this pot that I just recently picked up at Michael's. And I'm sorry, nope, I got that one at Hobby Lobby along with that faux greenery there. Again, I love how floppy it is, and I just think it's really pretty. Love a little bit of a distressed feel that it brings. And then I've also got that iron pitcher there that has hydrangea in it. The pitcher is from Walmart. The hydrangea are from Hobby Lobby. On the other side here, I've got another pothos plant and some candle holders. Those are from, both of them are from Home Goods. Nope, they're from Hobby Lobby. And those little white houses that I'm adding in, those are from Hobby Lobby as well. No, those are from Walmart actually. I picked those up during Christmas. Those are actually Christmas pieces and I love them. I think they have such a cozy little vibe, and that's why I'm keeping them out. You're also going to notice that I have my little buddy with me today who's always following me in almost all of my videos, and that's my sweet kitty cat Luna. She is such a mama's girl. She's actually sitting right here beside me right now while I'm editing this video, but I could put her in a little baby carrier and carry her around all day and she would be so very happy. Moving over to my sideboard, I'm just going to add in this sweet little bunny again from the Target Dollar Spot, just to bring in a little touch of spring to this area. To my windowsills, I'm just going to add a couple of touches of spring. These are some of my favorite areas to decorate as well. And that brings us to the end of another Decorate With Me video, my friends. I hope that you enjoyed coming along on this cozy spring Decorate With Me in my family room. My great room is coming together so nicely. I absolutely love how it's turning out, and it feels so good to have so much greenery and touches of hope for the spring. It was a long winter, and I'm so happy to see everything wakening up again, and I am ready for the sunshine and the warm days. Bring it on. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care, my friends.